Aniq here.
What here?
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're opening something from our PJ Masks as mystery box video. So from that video, we opened this, the vehicle kit. It came with Gecko and his car. It came with Night Ninja Sticky Splat, Night Ninja, his Ninjalinos and his car, and Catboy. Let's open it. Now let's put all the PJ Masks. 2 Catboys. Where's Gecko? Gecko and his tablet.
A flying car.
2 geckos. Let's put Owlet next. Next comes PJ Robot and his wrench. PJ Robot wrench. Now let's put the werewolves over here.
Fly.
Huh, why isn't she standing?
Tiki.
Owlet also gets something. She gets the telescope.
Tiki. Tiki. Tiki.
Now
Tiki.
let's put the wolves over here.
Tiki.
2 and 3 wolves. I don't know why, but she doesn't want to stand. Oh, no. Let's just make her lay down. She's sleeping. Now let's put the bad guys. Luna Girl. Let's put the car here. So Luna Girl is here. And Night Ninja and his Ninjalinos are in his car. We have to give Night Ninja a Sticky Splat launcher. See? Let's put this here. This is the PJ Masks vehicle set and character set, both mixed. Both of the sets go together very well because the vehicle set doesn't come with everything, but the character set comes with almost everything. This is the set here. So, Mom, do you like it? Do you like it? Are you gonna play with it? Right?
Take care. Videos.
So, we like this set and we're gonna play with it. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and please like this video. Remember to hit the bell icon so then you know whenever our video comes out. Thank you for watching and bye!